Hi guys, my name is Mario. Today I will tell you how to make your hair smooth and shiny. So we have ingredients to make it. So you can see my hair. They are super rough. They are not smooth either. So we will now put mayonnaise. So now I'll tell you the ingredients. First is mayonnaise. Second one is hair conditioner. The other one is oil. The other one is egg. And this is vitamin C, vitamin E pills. This you can eat vitamin vitamin E. These, and you can put on your hair too. You can make your hair more. If you put on your hair, it's more important. If you eat it, it will go a little bit taste to go. So the first thing, we have a bowl. So with the bowl, I'm gonna put mayonnaise. So now I have put mayonnaise and egg and hair conditioner, oil and egg. So now I will put the pills we have. So the first thing is we will cut it. We need two of them. So we are not gonna cut it. So I'm gonna cut off one pill there, and now I'll cut the pill. So let's cut the pill. Now I've cut one of the pill, and now I will squish the pill. Look, it's getting out. The pill is getting out vitamin E. So the vitamin E is getting out it. So now we have done this one. Now we'll put this right here. And now we are gonna get another one. We need to open this one. There. And now we need the scissors again to cut it a little bit. And we keep doing. So squeezing it. And there we go. Now we have done more. I think this one is not done. So when we have done this, we will now mix it with it. Now you can look at it. So now we will mix it. It's easy to mix it because it's a lot of. You are gonna do it again clockwise. You remember my cake video? I said clockwise, anything clockwise. Keep mixing it clockwise. Okay, now I have mixed it. It's just like an egg yolk. I am wearing my towel, so now my dad is gonna put me this what I made it. I put actually 2 more pills. I actually tell you last time. So my dad is now gonna apply this cream on my hair. So come and apply this cream now. Take it and take the dial. Okay, now nothing's gonna feel. This looks good on me. So it's nice and right. Okay, I hate egg on my hair and mayonnaise. I hate it. You. I'm gonna leave it for 1 hour. I see you. I will show you it when my hair are gonna be smooth. Okay? Bye. And I'll talk to you later about when my hair. So now my hair are super silky and they're super soft, and you can see my clothes are singed. So if you want to look at my hair closely, look at them. They're super soft now. And as you can see, you need to do this DIY surprises in your own home, and it will look super great on you and everyone. And on the internet, you can search. If you don't have YouTube, you can search on Google Chrome or YouTube. You can download YouTube on App Store. Bye bye.